The Breadcrumbs widget is a super fast navigation system and a great tool for on-site SEO optimization. Once you drag it inside your page, you can click on the alignment option to properly align it. Select right, center or left position as you see how it goes. You can use anything as a separator, either symbol, text or number. As for the home icon, choose something good and it will show up at the beginning of the breadcrumbs. In the Style tab, you can change the home icon color on the first section. Also, adjust text height from the typography. The color option works on the whole content. Why not add a hover effect as well? You can customize the appearance of the active item in the next section by color, border, and padding. The separator needs to highlighten and thus is customizable. Once finished, hit update. That's it. Please like and subscribe for more updates. Comment your thoughts down below. Thanks for watching.